According to research, people with too many interests are more likely to be successful. People with too many interests are called generalists. If you observe closely, generalists are the most influential people. Let me tell you how. Being a generalist comes with a friendly warning. People always refer generalist with quotes like jack of all trade, master of none. I'm sure you might have heard this saying quite often. Yet Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, Ratan Tata, Leonardo da Vinci are just few of the most influential people in the history. Hence, it won't be incorrect if I say that the era of modern polymath has arrived. A modern polymath is someone who has become proficient in at least three different domains and integrated them to generate a groundbreaking idea in a new field and industry. Elon Musk, for example, have created several multi-billion dollar companies in various fields by combining his knowledge of physics, engineering, program, design, manufacturing, and business. Specialists, on the other hand, concentrate solely on their own field's knowledge. Polymaths are the founder of the world's five largest companies. Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett, Larry Page, and Jeff Bezos are among the world's wealthiest people. Hence, it won't be incorrect if I say the new normal is to be a modern polymath. Several significant changes in our knowledge economy are fundamentally changing long held beliefs about the values of specialization. Being a polymath is advantageous in today's world. People who enjoy learning in variety of fields are more likely to be financially successful and have a greater impact in their career. One added advantage of being a polymath is that it is future proof. None of the following professionals existed 15 years ago. Number one is app developers, UI UX designers, AI specialists, data scientists, content creators on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Just imagine being able to go back in time and master this technique before they were popular. Hence, consider what skill will be in demand in next 20 years as your career path. To survive in the constantly changing and improving environment, we'll need to become a polymath. We'll have a dozen new jobs, each with its own set of skills. Now, one important question is unanswered: how to become a polymath? It's pretty straightforward. To become a modern day polymath, use mental model. The 80-20 rule, for example, states that in many domains, 20% of your efforts will yield 80% of your results. This mental model can help you become more efficient in any aspect of your life or field of study. Likely said that identify that 20% of your customers who account for 80% of your revenue. Identify that 20% of tasks that account for 80% of your productivity, and so on. So this was pretty much it for this video. See you soon in the next one. Cheers guys, and have a good one.